There is nothing better than a real fire on a winter night and its vibrant aura. People have been using wood-burning stoves as a complementary heat source for thousands of years. This is one of the smart purchases that can improve your home. It is a straightforward, convenient, and efficient way to heat your room. If you like to light wood on fire and watch the roar of flames, then you must install one of this in your home. Burning wood is good for the environment. Using wood-burning stoves is a great way of cutting carbon emissions as logs are a low-carbon source of fuel. The wood-burning stone is made from cast iron that looks fantastic and is very sturdy. So, if you are in the market viewing for the best wood-burning stove, then you have landed on the right page. So to delight your winter, check out the list below to find the top 5 best wood-burning stove recommendations on the market.
Here at Top of Zone, we are a bunch of researchers and testers. We test, analyze, research new products and create our list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative product ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create proper shopping guidelines so that our viewers can make proper decisions.
Aesthetically, Lynx Fire's XLV J8013 wood-burning stove looks fantastic. It provides a full cast construction of new high-quality cast iron material that ensures its long life and becomes more value for money. The heat output is 6.5 kW and can quickly heat a medium-sized room and will further continue spreading the heat to the rest of the house. It is CE certified and can burn logs or charcoal. You get the choice to pick between multiple fuels. That is a good thing. It has a super air wash system that keeps the front glass heat resistant by cleaning up the glass automatically for the best view of the fire. It also has advanced slow burning technology which provides 80% burning efficiency. In addition to these features, you also get airflow control if you want to run this stove overnight. This wood stove burner is very easy to clean. The weight of the product is 65 kilograms and it enters with a 1-year warranty that is appreciated. Overall, it's good quality and it will give you amazing feedback. The FoxHunter Hillford J8013S is one of the best designs. It looks traditional with its unusual patterns and solid brass handles, all crafted from the most beautiful cast iron construction. This stove will provide your room a classic look and feel alongside keeping the room warm and cozy during the cold winter nights. You get multiple fuel options as this burner is suitable for both wood and coal. This wood-burning stove is built permanently for a long time. It is featuring the German-engineered high-temperature Robex glass. You get an ash plan, air vent control with 2 options, rear and top-facing flue positions. It has a metal CE plate fitted on the rear. The burning capacity on this one is 5.5 kW. That is awesome for a small to medium-sized room. If you are viewing something that will last you longer and is still on a budget, then this FoxHunter wood burner stove deserves a closer look. There is also another great wood-burning stove from Lynx Fire. This time it is Lynx Fire Humstone J8013S that has a heat output of 5.5 kW. It can quickly heat a medium-sized room and you can relax and warmth and the pleasing scene of slowly burning wood from the factory-fitted German Robex high-temperature glass door. It has the high-quality cast iron construction and is CE certified. It has multiple fuel options and you can burn logs and charcoal. The super air wash system puts glass heat resistant in the front to give you a better idea of fire. You also get heat resistance gloves added in the package. It also enters with 1 year of manufacturer warranty, so you can expect this to have a long lifespan. Until the end, this product weighs about 55 kilograms and requires only a small assembly. Cast iron J8006 is a bit expensive, but it also provides some extra features. Starting with the heat capacity, you get 12 kilowatts. You can quickly expect this to heat up a large room in a small amount of time. When it comes to design, you will find a large size and a large capacity stove with a traditional thematic design and visually built quality. It has a full cast iron construction along with inner cast lining. On the rear side, it is fitted with a metal CE plate. The popular bow pattern design looks fantastic, and there are 2 door openings so you can easily enjoy the fire. The handles are made with wood and plated with chrome to provide them a traditional finish. To make sure you get the view of the fire, it is fitted with a factory-fitted German Roback Scott high-temperature glass. Apart from this, you get ash blend with handle added in the package, air vent control system, and there are 2 flow positions, rear and top. All in all, it is really awesome. It shares a slightly different set of features. It has a traditional oven-shaped design that looks very impressive. The door bolt is fastened by a steel bar with caps more firm. It has high-quality heat-resistance viewing Scott glass with a maximum fireproofing temperature of 1200 centigrade. It is coated with black heat-resistant paint with an ability of 800 degrees centigrade high-temperature resistance that provides you a safe and comfortable environment. You can burn 2 different fuels in it that are wood and smokeless coal. It has durable, thick steel quality construction, and the company has committed to a lifetime warranty. It is an excellent multi-fuel wood burning stove. This wood burning stove is very efficient as it enters with a heat output of 9 kilowatts. That is fantastic.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.